Hello, one more time. My name is Nikol Porubová. I'm from the University in Ostrava in the Czech Republic. And my topic is printed and digital learning materials, especially their selection, purposes of use and modification. And I have chosen the lower secondary school and these two subjects, English and biology, because I'm also the teacher at the lower secondary school and I teach these two subjects. Now I would like to talk a little bit about introduction. So the research response to previous studies demonstrating the growing importance of pandemic situation, because we know that during the pandemic situation, not only school system and education has been digitalized a lot, but it brings also many new affordances, many challenges, maybe problems and issues. And I would like to also compare the research or the results from the research before the COVID-19 pandemic. It's the research from my supervisor, Dr. Cikorova, and with the results after COVID-19 pandemic situation. And as I said, I focus on the selection, use, and modification of printed and digital learning materials in teachers' preparation, but also in the teaching process itself. Here you can see the main research questions. So the first one is, how do the lower secondary teachers of biology and English language choose printed and digital learning materials? Where do they look for them and where do they get the information about them? Also, how do they use them and how do they modify them if they do some kind of modification? And the third question is, for what purposes do the teachers select them? Maybe here I would like to clarify a little bit, because we are interested in the purpose and also like what are they doing in the lessons with the learning materials. Because here in the Czech Republic, if you ask the teachers, so everybody answers, yes, we use the digital technologies, we use the digital materials because we as a teachers know that we should use it and also that we should support the digital competencies among pupils, among students, but it's also very important in which level and what is the purpose. So we have selected many types. Of course, we have also selected the printed textbooks and workbooks and worksheets and so on. And we also have selected the digital ones like presentations, PowerPoint presentations, animations, videos, different types of applications where you can create some quizzes, platforms for crosswords and so on, and also AI. As you can see, I have mentioned here also the follow-up part or the second part of the research, and it is, or we are interested in supporting students' learning and also inclusiveness, like scaffolding. Because in the learning materials, there is at least some scaffolding or some support for the students, but we are interested in how do teachers use it or if they use it, because we are in the project also with Germany and with Sweden. So it's quite interesting to maybe combine these two perspectives. Now I would like to talk about methodology. So the methodology or the method is a mixed method design, including survey, in-depth interviews, at least with 5 English language teachers and 5 biology teachers at the lower secondary school, field observation of 2 lessons, at least 2 lessons for each teacher, and content analysis. And the data will be analyzed and coded with Atlas T version 7. Now the research is the work in progress, so we are analyzing the data from the interview. Therefore, I would like to mention some perspectives. As I said, we would like to compare the results before and after COVID-19 pandemic situation, And we expect and we hope that the level of use of digital technologies is higher and higher based on the summer model, as you can see in the picture. So probably before the COVID-19 pandemic situation, we were in the lowest level, like substitution. And we hope, we expect that nowadays we are at least at the level of augmentation or modification. It means that the technology allows for significant task redesign. Also, we would like to compare English and biology. So we expect that in English, there are used more digital technologies, and probably the teachers of English are in a better level than in biology because they have more opportunity to gain the materials, for example, on the internet, because it's English. Also, we expect that the main role or important role plays also the teacher's age and the teacher's years of work experience. Now I would like to talk about preliminary results. So, of course, the printed textbooks with workbooks still play a very, very important role and very significant role in both subjects, but the role of the textbooks is changing from being a repository of information to becoming more of a coordinating and integrating factor between all other resources. On the other hand, the digital learning materials were selected and used in lessons mainly as a means of motivation for the students, especially different types of platforms, quizzes, videos, and so on, and also for better visualization of content and structure the lesson. Especially, there were mentioned many times PowerPoint presentations. We need to keep in our mind that it's also very important, that the teachers are very important and the approach of the teachers, because we should be able to support more and more the diversity and the individuality in the class. So balance and the flexible approach to teaching materials is very important. Here you can see some references. And if you have any question, you can ask me, and thank you for the attention.